Hello everyone. If you want to stop using Face ID with Apple Pay, you can do it in just a few steps. I'll show you how to turn it off completely or disable it. So let me quickly scroll down to the section that's is here. So first open the settings and tap on your iPhone and scroll down to see the Face ID and passport section. Alright, and tap on it, and you may need to enter your passport first time. So and then you can like turn off your Face ID for Apple Pay only and find the section where it says use Face ID for and toggle off Apple Pay. Now when you make a payment, your iPhone will ask for a passcode instead of Face ID. So that you need to actually have a security in place. You cannot turn off both passcode or Face ID. You need to keep one active actually. So if you want to completely disable Face ID, you can reset Face ID here and or tap reset face ID. This will remove your saved facial data and face ID won't work for any features, but you still need to use your passcode. And if you want, you can temporarily disable face ID from unlocking. Like if you can just press and hold this slide button or either the volume button for 2 seconds, right? And when the power of slide disappear, tap the screen or wait a minute, and this will force your phone to require a passcode next time you unlock it. And that's all there is to it. Very simple. And however, keep in mind that you need to have a security in place, like either your Face ID or your passport or your fingerprint or anything. And that's all there is to it. And I'll see you in the next video.